Introducing the groundbreaking new FLIR GF77. This gas finder camera is key to protecting your company's bottom line, helping you find methane leaks that could lead to expensive product loss and shutdowns. Designed with your needs in mind, the GF77 packs the best gas detection features from FLIR into an affordable, nimble, uncooled camera. It's loaded with options that ensure the best image clarity when surveying for gas leaks, from instant contrast improvement with one-touch level and span to enhanced plume movement with high sensitivity mode. Built on an award-winning camera body, the GF77 offers the ergonomic design you need to complete inspections comfortably. Hold it at any angle. Switch to the viewfinder in bright light. No need to push any buttons. The camera senses your eye at the viewfinder. With streamlined reporting features, from built-in voice annotation to customizable work folders, the GF77 is designed to make every aspect of your survey easier. The new FLIR GF77 Gas Finder, your affordable solution to methane leak detection.